story you tell me.
They're crazy, aren't they?
No, they're not
ridiculous.
crazy. It's just like when you tell me, I'm like, makes sense.
Yeah.
Like I'm not like surprised.
There we go.
That was pretty good.
That wasn't good enough, though. And there's still more to come because you made me laugh and that interrupted the burp process. So
you had
there's
to
gonna
build
be a
that
second.
up?
Yeah, do you know how to build up a burp?
No.
You can't just like swallow air and then it builds up like in your stomach and then you just push it out and then go. No, you don't take a big
I'm
breath
just
in.
having an asthma
like-
attack now.
You like you use your Adam's apple to like push it down your throat pretty much and like I don't know, it's weird. It's weird how
No.
to explain it.
I can't do that. My Adam's apple isn't really that defined.
The room's spinning. Starts passing out.
As far as
Oh,
like,
wait, no, it's
Sorry.
stuck. It's stuck. I'm gonna have a bad stomachache now. Oh wait. Oh no. Oh,
what?
okay.
It can go wrong. There's a process. That's
No, that's not
disgusting.
all of it. Oh
I'm
god.
so sorry.
Oh no, I have to keep doing it.
Or don't.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put the mic away for this.
Back to the whipped cream thing.
Is
Are you kidding me? Are you
Just
joking?
keep having it until it's all out.
Are
You
you-
know
Are
when
you joking?
it's not all out yet. Just keep talking.
Why'd you do this? Oh my god!
That's insane.
Made me laugh while doing it. Throw up.
Where is it coming from?
This is kind of impressive.
I mean, yeah. Jesus Christ.
Oh wow.
I have a lot of sexual experience, so it shouldn't be surprising that I...
You shouldn't have did
Don't hit
this.
yourself.
Oh my
Self-harm is
God.
never the answer.
Ow, that hurt.
Yeah, what the hell? Go... Where you going? What are you doing? Where you going? What's happening? Oh my god!
Yeah,
Nobody,
that's it. There we go. Finally.
Nobody
oh, dear
wanted
God.
to hear all of that.
If you're into burping, you're welcome.
Ah.
You know, that's definitely a kink.
Wow,
like
you're
that.
about to... Yo, you're crying.
Because I punched myself in the stomach.
Oh, hard.
What did we learn?
You floating?
Also, you made me laugh while I was burping, and that was not a good combination.